from flight to charity. Give me a gift of a lifetime. Give me a dream of opportunity. I will strive. I am an African child. Do you not have my phone? Show me my road. I am any other. Teach me to dream, and I will become. I am an African child. John 14 verse 1. Moyani Dere Gugmandi. Thank you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. In the Siana, I want to present my name of Yesia. John 14 verse 1. If his years in us, not at a sake, Bonan Gubaba, Bonan Kim. Thank you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let's hear about to say the name of Yeshua. Lord. Proverbs 22 verse 6 says, train up a child the way he should go, and when he is old, you will not depart from it. My dear parents, what kind of a child are you raising? What religions are you giving your children? Are you teaching them the word of the Lord, or are you letting society? Friends, the lessons on the internet, they talk to you out researchers. A child is a gift from God, and it is the responsibility as a parent to raise up that child right.
Nobody wants to I got to go to the Mana we ada we kirungu. Because it is a little bit of my group and I'm going to read for the dreams. What's the opportunity?